Hi there. My name's Chris Kilgar from C&L Aviation. C&L Aviation.
Sorry about your camera. Yes. Sorry about your face.
Do I need to be louder?
No. Here we go again.
Are we all on the same page?
We are now.
Am I screaming?
No, you're just doing.
I can pretend I'm yelling at my kids.
You just
That
do evil laugh.
Oh, no. Come on.
That's awesome.
Very rerouting the. Nick, be quick!
Hey Nick, heads up. Debate.
Sore loser.
Print it.
What do you got for me, Q?
It's not your line yet. You pick it up and I tell you to put it down, and then you do it. All right, come back.
Hello, can you hear me? Are you there?
Bugger.
Right. Like you're saying, damn.
I know what bugger is.
Walking. Bam. Right? Can I get a kick? No? Right here.
That noise, that's the sound of people servicing regional and corporate aircraft. 3, 2, 1, go. 3. Three, 2, 1, action.
C&L Aviation is a fast-growing, full-service maintenance and repair facility.
Bugger isn't an aggressive, like, it's aggressive, but it's not an aggressive word like that. You don't use it like...
How about rapscallion?
Yeah.
Not a statement, it's a can you believe it at the end. Okay, ready? I'm talking a little slower on the race. Okay, a little slower on the race. Ready? Here we go. What was the line again? Chris had bought me a pair of these. Okay, here we go.
Go, Chris.
But it's not going to go bugger. Yeah. It doesn't work.
Right. Okay.
Bugger.
Executive and corporate
No, I think ships.
ships.
How did our aerospace company grow? We are your one-stop shop in a technology. I am Chris.
Is bugger a swear word in America or not?
No.
Okay.
We don't even
Nobody knows what it is.
All right.
College and hockey.
Hang on, I messed up my
It was a bit far.
I'll get it. You just keep figuring out lines.